Hi, I'm Dr. P, founder and head coach at Crimson Coaching, expert academic assistance for students age 12 and up. If you've visited my YouTube channel, you'll see that most of the videos I have there are geared for students age 12 and up. But today's little mini lesson is really appropriate for anyone of any age who maybe needs to get a little structure to get back on track to achieving some of their New Year's resolutions or just some of their goals for 2018. I myself am guilty of not really making any big headway on one of my major goals for the year, which is to finish writing my book, Soar Through High School and Beyond, which ironically is partially about goal setting. So I thought I would use myself as the guinea pig of one of my favorite techniques. So what you'll need for this is just an index card of any size. This one happens to be, I think, 5x7, but you can use a 4x6 or a 3x5 as well. And what you should do is pick 1, 2, or 3 goals that you'd like to accomplish, and they could be short-term, medium-term, or long-term. For students, I would tend not to go out more than a couple of years for the long-term. And you want to basically write them all down on the same card while skipping a few lines in between each goal, because we're going to write something else on there. So for instance, mine I've already done is to finish chapter 4 by February 15th, finish chapter 5 by March 1st, which are the last 2 chapters of my book, and then resume teaching yoga by April 1st. Those of you who know me know that I had major orthopedic surgery that's prevented me from pursuing my second love, which is teaching yoga. You'll also notice that my goals were super specific. They had dates, and on the top goal, I broke my book down. I didn't just say finish writing my book. I gave myself little interim deadlines. So the more specific that you can be in doing this, the better. The next thing, and the reason why you skip lines, is you want to take potentially a different color marker. You don't have to, but if you're a visual person like I am, you may want to do that, is to write at least 1 or 2 concrete steps that you're going to need to take in order to accomplish each goal. So for my writing, for instance, I may write, and I'm going to do this now with you, set alarm for 6:30 every morning, which I have not been doing. I've been sleeping in since my surgery. And I might want to write 4 pages, which I know for students will sound like a lot, but it's double spaced every morning. And for my yoga goal, maybe I need to follow my physical therapist advice and do my physical therapy exercises twice a day as prescribed, which for me isn't a problem because I'm an exerciser and I like to do that. But for me, the bigger goal will be to be patient with myself when I'm feeling achy or tired, and maybe I need to do fewer reps than I might normally do. So voila, my card, and then I'm going to post this somewhere I can see this every single day. Ideally, maybe you want to post it on your bedroom mirror. If you're a super creative type and you want to go beyond a couple of different colors and maybe make an artwork like one of my students did, she basically made her goals list into a piece of art that she posted in her dorm room and loved to look at every day. Go for it. And send me a picture too while you're at it. I would love to see it. You could also tweet it to me at Crimson Coaching. So basically, the thought is you want to write down your goals, because studies show that people who write their goals are 50% more likely to achieve them. And be sure you can see them somewhere every day, so that, for instance, when I am tempted to sleep in, hopefully I will remember that this is my goal. And when I might want to take a nap after lunch, I may be passing by my bedroom mirror and say, no, you have to do your PT exercises, because even though the nap feels good in the short term, it's going to feel much better in the longer term on April 1st when I'm able to resume teaching yoga. So that's our mini lesson on goal setting. Please drop me a line if you'd like to at info@crimsoncoaching.com to ask me any questions about the process, or to inquire about one-on-one help with goal setting or reaching any academic goal that you might have. And in the meanwhile, happy goal setting.